Hi, I'm here, and today we're going to talk about how to get the maximum absorption from your vitamins or minerals. So today, as we're living in an adversarial microbial environment or adversarial viral environment, it is that much more important for us to have high immunity. And high immunity simply means, as I spoke in one of my previous videos, that we have a full army that is able to fend off a viral or a microbial attack. And if you don't have that full army, you're going to have a hard time fending off this viral attack. So what a lot of people do is they suggest going with, take vitamin C or take vitamin A. And usually when they say that, they mean take a supplement or and the supplement can come in the form of a capsule or a tablet or in powder form that you mix in water or some sort of a drink, and then you take it. These are usually mega doses or higher doses. And the reason why they're higher doses is because a lot of it, if they're taken by themselves, do not get absorbed into your system. I'm gonna use the example of kale. And the reason why I chose kale is because kale, number one, is very popular. A lot of people eat it. And number two, kale, one of the main reasons it's very popular is because it's very, very complete. It has a wider range of minerals and vitamins. Now, when I say full spectrum complete, what I mean by that is that if someone says to me, for instance, you need vitamin A, I'm actually going to be less likely to go out and buy a pill with vitamin A and more likely to eat more kale. And what I mean by complete here is that in order for this vitamin A to get absorbed into your system more readily, it needs all of these other aspects that are already existing in kale naturally that enable the absorption. Now, kale is such a superfood that it has vitamins in it, it has minerals in it. Most all plants do, but this one has slightly more mega doses of certain minerals or certain vitamins. For instance, it has a very high dose of A and is a very high dose of magnesium and calcium. So kale has vitamin A, vitamins in it, it has minerals in it, it has fatty acids in it, it has omega-3 in it, for instance. It has carbohydrates in it, has protein, amino acids that enable absorption. It has something called sterols, and then it has something, there are some other aspects that are very minute, but things like ash and the like are in kale. Now the reason why, well, I don't know what the reason why they're in kale, but the reason why we eat kale is to get my vitamin A. And this vitamin A is going to be more absorbable because it has the supporting minerals and fatty acids that enable the absorption, and it has to be grown in soil. If it's grown in soil, it'll also contain the humic substances that enable the absorption at the cellular level. And that, it's not so much about filling up your stomach with food, it's more about filling up your cells with the right type of minerals that your cells need to remain satiated in order to be able to fend off any adversarial microbial attack that your body experiences. Until next time.